Bitches.
All right, so tell them what you're doing with just milk and lemons.
I'm making a facial peel. No, I'm just kidding. I'm making cheese.
I'm making cheese.
It's gonna be like a fresh cheese, and you just kind of let it sit for a half an hour or so to like get hard, and I guess it's
That's
cheese.
what she said.
Yep. Just sit on it for like a half an hour or so.
How much lemons do we have to use?
Lemon juice, I need about 1/4 cup. And then I need 1/4 to a teaspoon of salt.
Did it say for that much milk?
Half a gallon whole milk.
Okay. Yeah, work that lemon, boy. I'm like, where's the hot Cheetos?
Right? You can't have lemons without hot Cheetos. That's gonna lightly boil, and then we're gonna add the lemon to it, and then it's gonna like curdle immediately.
Immediately?
Supposedly, yes.
Oh, we're gonna find out.
And then after that, I think we let it sit for 10 minutes, and then we drain it.
Go get your cat. I want to see it.
Hey. Yeah. Why are you so sweet? Look. Say hi.
It looks evil. You're evil. Okay.
She's like, damn straight.
Is my old music room.
Let's play.
Okay. What could that be?
You carried it. It's all
You know, I wouldn't be surprised if all the pictures on the walls just said.
Stir.
Oh, that's good.
It's not cheese yet. I'm just kidding. Where's the cheese? Oh, God.
Yeah, you see it?
Oh, my gosh. It's actually becoming clumpy. Oh,
That's
gosh. Wow.
All right, so now we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes.
Look at us.
Watch out, Betty Crocker. We coming through. But yeah,
Some
supposedly,
rosé.
like, queso fresco and like ricotta cheese and all that's like made the same exact way.
We being ghetto. We don't have no cheese. What's it called? Cheese
Cheese
cloth?
puff.
Cheese puff? Cheese cloth?
Cheese puffs. We don't have no cheese puffs. So we make and do. It just burns the
Alright.
paper.
Oh my god! It is yellow, like it says. Oh my god.
And it's completely separated, like you see.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we're actually making cheese!
Watch out, Martha Stewart.
That's gonna be so hot. I feel like you have to let it set. Getting out all the liquid.
All the way.
All the way.
All the way. W-E-Y.
Wait, isn't W-H-E-Y, dumbass? Be smart. Okay.
Right. Okay, I'm making cheese. What are you doing? So.
Wow. What? Okay, so what are we gonna eat this with? Because I gotta test this.
We're just gonna try it. It's gonna have to sit in the fridge for a little bit so it's not
Yeah.
as crumbly.
Yeah.
I can't believe we made cheese.
Let's see it.
What's in the package?
It's been sitting for 30 minutes. It literally looks like queso fresco.
It really does.
All right, go get like a fork or something.
It's still kind of crumbly.
I think that's what it's gonna be crumbly though, mostly. It tastes like cheese? Is it?
It's like, it's really creamy though.
Alright, it tastes literally like cheese, like seriously. Wow, I'm so surprised. Like seriously though, I'm so surprised.
This is
I'm so
good.
shocked. We eat the whole block before Chelsea gets home.
Oh, I didn't put my milk.
Oh my gosh, my hair is crazy.
Doing some
What are you eating?
pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Pizza? So today I was supposed to go to the Morphe store, the grand opening that's here in Vegas, because Jaclyn Hill was having like a meet and greet, and I ended up not being able to go due to some circumstances, but that's okay. You know, I didn't need to go to the meet and greet even though I wanted to, but I still ordered my pre-order of the vault, so I do need to go pick it up later, which will probably be like around like 3 o'clock. But yeah, and then later after we do that, we're gonna go meet my dad at World of Beer. It's in Henderson, and we've never been there, but I'm excited to try some new beers and some appetizers. So we're taking him there for like a Father's Day like early dinner, because tomorrow everything is just gonna be super freaking packed, and I'm like not even trying to do that. So yep, that's the goal for today. Ta-da! Got the book. All right. Huh? Oh yeah, she's reading upside down. It says
You got it upside down, baby. Get up.
Mother Earth, Cali Green, Cream, Hell's Keep.
Oh, yeah.
What's wrong with that one?
Oh, bitter as hell.
Really? All right.
Try that one.
I tried.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
we all
tried
tried this one. Okay, so look, you tried this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this one next.
Not that bad.
This one's an ale. I don't like this one. I don't like that one. Gross. So good. All right, dig it.
Just hit her in the head with the sack.
Oh, so close. Oh, yeah, you did it. Hey, move that one. You're cheating.
Hey, your daughter.
Oh, I did it. To a drop. Oh, yeah, what up? Good job. Okay, you gotta make a wish, okay? It's not on, it's usually on. Okay, hold on. Make a wish. Yeah, make a wish. All right. This soul song from Adrena. Little something, something. And there's a card in there.
Wow. Thank you, sweetie. Yep, so I needed a new coffee cup.